Neighbors, this is Mountaintop Fish, and I planted the filter for the refrigerator tub. This is the refrigerator tub. It does have some fish in it. They're just native fish. Anyway, I put some plants in it, in the filter part, cleaned the glass up so you can at least see it. And then I've got these growing. These are actually a water plant, but if they grow out of water, they actually bloom. I'm propagating them to put in tanks for later this winter. Because when it gets cold, I'll have to take all this in the house except for the tub itself. But anyway, this is Mountaintop Fish. Have a blessed day.